Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hopefully everyone doing great today. I'm Noviy Miss Mascota Delphi, and all my dearest friends. In today's video, we from Group 6 or Group Media will tell you about the impact of media in anthropology perspective. In today's video, we'll explain about what is media, then the various types of media and examples. And the next will be positive impacts of media and negative impacts of media. And the last will be the influence of media on society and culture today. First of all, let me introduce to you our member of Group 6. On the first, we got Sonia Nurul Hidayah, and then 3 Ayu Dinda Pratiwi, Salsabila, Allamdzaki Kusnadi, Gino, Akbar, Devaldo, Tahta Nur Zaky, and myself as the moderator today, Iqbal Al-Azhfariy. Next, we'll get into the topic, what is media? On this topic will be explained by Tahta Nur Zaky. On Tahta, please.
What is media? The word media comes from the Latin medius, which means middle, intermediary, or introductions. The word media is the plural from the word medium, which etymologically means intermediary or introductions. According to the Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia, media is a means of communications to convey informations. According to Kengera, media is a tool or means used to convey message from communicators to audience, while the notion of mass media itself is a tool used in delivering message from source to audience by using communications tools such as newspaper, films, radio, and televisions. Thank you for listening. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Tahta. Next, the next topic will be the various types of media and example that will be explained by Gino and Salsabila. Please.
Thank you, moderator. Various types of media and example. First, audio media. Understanding audio media is a type of media that involves the sense of hearing or ears, that utilizes the ability sound. Messages that can be conveyed in audio media are verbal messages, for example, spoken language or words, and non-verbal messages, for the example, music, vocalization, and other sound. Secondly, visual media. Visual media is a type of media that involves the sense of sight or eye. For example, books, magazine, newspaper, and other. Thank you for listening. Back to moderator.
Audiovisual media. Audiovisual media is type of media that implant the sense of hearing and the sense of seeing simulation is one process. Message distributed in this type of media are verbal and non-verbal. For example, drama, film, documentaries, and author. Thank you for listening. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Gino and Salsabila. The next will be positive impact of media. Will be explained by Sonia. So Sonia, please.
Thank you, moderator. Positive impact of media. With the media in people's lives, they have internal power that can be an intermediary in the communication process. In addition, the media supports communication in society to take place more precisely on target so that it can change and influence the thinking of the masses. At this time, the study of media anthropology is more focused on the media use and their impact on mankind. The impact includes styles, patterns, and phenomena caused by the media and also affects other problems that occur in human life. In coming to the object, of course, needed the media as an intermediary listen. Also, the media used for collecting facts is that researchers usually make observation first and then continue with interviews with informants so that the results of the interviews become field notes which are then processed to become variable data. Thank you for listening. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Sonia, for the explanation. The next will be the negative impact of media, and the result showed will be read by Ayu Dinda Pratiwi. To Ayu, please.
Thank you, moderator. Negative impact of media. The media has a massive effect in life. People can get to know each other, even fall in love, but despite the various good things, the media also has a bad side, such as hoax news, the spread of foreign culture that are not good so that it affect their own culture, or even causes a big war because untrue news is spread by the media. So, to prevent all of the unwanted things to happen, media literacy will be very necessary. Thank you for listening. Back to moderator. The results showed that the use of media had an impact on the emergency of social and cultural change for students in Padang. First, they do not hesitate to share excessively in self-disclosure in cyberspace. This culture certainly arises because of the presence of media as one of the social media that can be accessed by anyone. Second, students are not able to provide boundary between private space and public space. So media currently also has an influence as a channel or medium in complementing relationship among themselves. And at the same time, social media is part of the lifestyle chosen by students when communicating using sophisticated technology. Thank you for listening. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Ayu. And next is the last topic of today's video, is the influence of media on society and culture today, will be read by Allamdzaki Kusnadi. To Allamdzaki, please.
The influence of media and society and culture today. Professor of Anthropology at Diponegoro University, Agus Maladi Irianto, assess that the Indonesian people have not been ready to face the impact of the presence of social media. Nowadays, there is a change in civilization due to the development of the media. Culture can no longer be seen as exotic, homogeneous, and has a clear pattern. Today, culture has an uncertain picture that demands the development of anthropology. He gave an example that in an instant, people could relate to those they didn't know before. They could also be hostile to those they didn't know before, or they could work together. Television example. For example, how they have such a tremendous influence. Forums that are attended by only a few people can actually affect 2,000 or million of people. On the other hand, it could that even a forum attended by thousands of people does not have an impact on many people because there is no development in the world of media, especially social media. The public is apparently not ready to face the development of social media, especially the impact it causes, so that eventually various negative effects emerge in cause of news. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Allamdzaki. After that last slide, it tells us that this is the last part of the video. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.